Welcome to SAS Media Studio. If you are here because you want to learn how to send a bulk email using the Titan or the Hostinger email service. Wow, so in my previous video I talked about how to extract bulk emails, you understand, for your email marketing campaigns. So well, in this video I'm going to show you how to send those extracted bulk emails. I hope you understand. So you just have to log in into your webmail. If you are using webmail, fine. If you are using Titan, Hostinger Titan email, fine. So you just have to click on this compose over here. So now you are going to paste all your emails to this too. I hope you understand. So you just go and open where your emails have been stored, has been kept. So this is the emails I validated. So I just have to copy this email, copy. Then when I come to my webmail or my Titan emailer, I'll just come to the two. When I right click, I'll not see any paste over here. So what I have to do is I have to use the shortcut key, which is the Ctrl+V. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of emails pasted over here. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so you have 10 emails over here. Okay, we are going to send messages to these 10 emails. Okay, so the subject will be welcome to SAS Media Studio. Okay, so now that is the subject of our email. Okay, so I can use template. I just click on template. Then I'm going to use self intro, introduce. So self intro. So you are introducing our business to this wonderful emails. Okay, so just self intro. So I can just be using the name over here. Well, I don't know the name of I don't know their emails, their names. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this name. Okay, then I can just write my name over here. So my English name is Shadrach Athemesa. So Shadrach Athemesa at your business. I'm going to just name my business, which is SAS Media Studio. So we are, so you can say we are digital agency and media company, a media company that specializes in digital marketing. No, I'm going to use website creation first. Website development. So that specializes in website development, digital marketing, graphic designing, social media boosting. We have worked with companies like, I'm going to use Media Ghana. Media Ghana and business. Okay, sorry. So Media Ghana will be the business name. So that will be here. I'm trying to use a template so that it will be very attractive. So okay, like, so I'm going to media. Okay, so okay, so I can just use just one business name. So that is it, Media Ghana. So Media Ghana to improve their marketing needs. Okay, so I would love to learn more about your business. No, I'm not going to do that. So I would love to introduce my business to you. If you to you, maybe, or perhaps, let me use maybe you might need help related to my services. In the meantime, if you are interested in learning more, check out link. So my name will be Shadrach Atumensa over here. Shadrach Atumensa. So I'm going to copy my website link over there. Just have to copy my website link. Then I'm going to write check out SaaS Media Studio. Then I'm going to highlight, then we're just going to insert the link. So just going to paste the link over there. So whenever they click on SaaS Media Studio, it will redirect them to the website. So wow, so this is it. Okay, so you are going to send this wonderful email to the listed emails. That is the 9 emails. Okay, so just click on send. As you can see, sending message. So as you can see, message sent. Our message has been sent successfully. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give a thumb up if you like this video, okay? And give a comment at the comment section, okay? If you have any question or suggestion, just leave at the comment section. We are going to get you, okay? And we have a lot of videos at hand, so just subscribe so that you get notified whenever we make a new video. And don't forget to check out our website, saasmediagh.com. And you can send us email at info@saasmediagh.com, as you can see over here. Okay, thank you for watching this wonderful tutorial. See you next time. Goodbye.